My name is Kirsty Wilson and I studied a BSc Honours degree in horticulture with plantsmanship. From about the age of 14 I've always been interested in plants, begged my father for a vegetable plot and used my mother's greenhouse. I've always been an outdoors kid and always liked being outside. I chose this course because it was the only place in the UK where you could get a degree in horticulture from a world-renowned botanic garden. Your studies are half based here at the Royal Botanic Garden in Edinburgh and at SRUC. Both institutions give me the expertise and knowledge to set me up in the first stage of my horticultural career. So the course set you up for everything in horticulture, from management to taxonomy to soil management, production horticulture. There are so many different routes in horticulture that you could go down that it really set you up for a fantastic career. What inspired me most about this course was having lecturers and professionals within the industry that had a huge amount of knowledge with plants.